Hello, Game of NFTs Hackathon builders. The Game of NFTs Hackathon is an exciting blockchain hackathon organized by Cosmos. We're thrilled to have the opportunity to gather with developers and tech enthusiasts. As a leader in blockchain technology, Cosmos's SDK and hub have been constantly improving. Cosmos recently released a cross-chain NFT standard, giving participants the opportunity to experience the charm of NFTs flowing between different blockchains. The Game of NFTs Hackathon will be the first hackathon where developers can practice Cosmos's cross-chain NFT technology. It is an opportunity for developers and tech enthusiasts to learn and practice that should not be missed. We look forward to seeing all kinds of innovative and interesting cross-chain NFT concepts and applications born at this hackathon. In order to help everyone quickly hack out more cool code and demos, in this video, we will introduce Hamster to everyone, a one-stop toolkit and middleware service platform in Web3. Currently, the services provided by Hamster mainly cover two series: Code Series and Middleware. The Code Series is mainly targeted at developers. It covers Template Marketplace, Code Pipeline and Operation and Maintenance Tools. The middleware is mainly targeted at enterprises and project teams. It includes Storage Service, RPC Service, Oracle Service and more. How will Hamster support Game of NFTs Hackathon builders? Iris Hub 2 now features integrated EVM capabilities for developers to effortlessly build dApps using EVM smart contracts. Therefore, you can quickly build and deploy EVM smart contracts on Iris Hub and leverage various tools and resources provided by Hamster. In this video, we will demonstrate how to quickly create EVM smart contracts with the help of Hamster, automatically check contracts, compile and deploy contracts to the Iris Hub testnet. Now let's create a EVM smart contracts project on Iris Hub using a contract template. Visit the Hamster official website, click Start Building, select Continue with GitHub, and after authorizing with GitHub, go to the project list page. Click the Create Project button to enter the project creation page. Hamster provides abundant EVM-based contract templates. In addition to the currently popular templates displayed on the page, select Explore All Templates and view more templates for NFT, DeFi, DAO and more tracks. If the existing templates do not suit your needs, select the standard template and use the Hamster Contract Wizard to generate custom contract templates. By selecting the features of the contract, configuring access control and upgradability and more, Hamster automatically generates the corresponding contract code. Here we choose the NFT collection contract template to create a EVM smart contract project. On the contract template details page, you can view the extended information, use cases and examples, resources, and contract methods. You can also view events and source code. These help you quickly understand it. Click the Create by Template button and enter the project name to quickly create the project. At this point, your project on Hamster is fully integrated with GitHub. This means you can continue developing your project. You can do so in the normal development process. After you push the code to the GitHub branch, you can check, build and deploy your contract with one click. Everything will become much simpler. Now we will show you how to automatically check contracts. On the project list or project details page, click the Check button. When checking the contract for the first time, you need to configure the inspection tool. Currently, 5 dimensions of tool selection are supported: security analysis, open source analysis, code quality analysis, gas consumption analysis, and AI analysis. After the initial configuration, you can modify the configuration of the checking tool. You can do so in the settings of the project details page. After selecting the checking tool, Hamster will automatically perform the corresponding contract checking. Click the View Process button. You can view the checking progress and related logs in real time. After the checking is completed, the checking report will be automatically displayed below the execution process area. In terms of security analysis, open source analysis, and code quality analysis, click the issue numbers in the report to view specific issues, which generally include issue descriptions, issue file paths, issue code snippets, and some reports also provide some modification suggestions. In terms of gas consumption analysis, it simulates gas consumption by deploying a local chain. The checking report shows the results of the gas consumption unit testing. Hamster will preset some of these test cases in the contract template. You can also write them yourself as needed. Click the View Detail button to view a more specific gas consumption analysis report. The AI analysis results are displayed at the end of the inspection report, which can be used as a reference for further contract optimization. Next, we will show you how to build and deploy contracts to the Iris Hub testnet. On the project list page or project details page, click the Build button to build the contract. Click the View Process button to view the real-time compilation progress and related logs. After the compilation is complete, you can see the contract on the current page. To deploy this contract, you can directly click the Deploy button to open the contract deployment page. If the contract has a constructor, configure the corresponding parameters by clicking the Settings icon. Select Testnet 9cat network under Iris Hub, and then click the Deploy button to perform wallet signature confirmation, transactions, and deployment. After successful deployment, the page will automatically redirect to the contract's dashboard page. On this page, you can immediately call the methods of the deployed contract. This allows you to verify if there are any issues. Iris Hub 2 supports the EVM module, which greatly expands the application scenarios of Iris Hub. In the near future, Iris Hub will also support ICS 721 cross-chain NFT transfer functions. Developers can easily migrate NFT applications between ERC 721 and ICS 721, realize cross-chain circulation of NFT assets and data, and create a richer NFT experience for users. At that time, Hamster will also provide developers with relevant tools and resources to bring better synergy to the Cosmos ecosystem. Log into Hamster and quickly start the Game of NFTs hackathon to embark on a brand new chapter together.